Hello, I wanted to remind you how to put a book on hold. To put a book on hold, you would need to log in, and the login button is at the top of the upper right-hand corner here. So I'm going to click login, and then once you've clicked login, you need to click down here in blue where it says login using Destiny. So I'm going to click this, and now it says username and password. Your username as a student is your long number, and as a student, your password is 2 zeros plus your 6-digit PIN. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in now, and it looks a little different for teachers. But whether you're a teacher or a student, you need to log into the library catalog if you're going to see all of the library resources and all of the books, or ebooks or books that are found on other campuses. Okay, so I'm going to finish logging in. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, so you know that you are logged in if you see your name at the top of the screen. Okay, so I see my name and I know that I'm now ready to look up a book. So I'm going to go to catalog and catalog, and I'm going to begin my search. So I'm going to search, let's look up turtles. But before I do that, I want to pay close attention to the location. When you look up a book, most of the time it's going to be set to the location of Ed White Elementary School. But if you want to look in all of the catalogs for all of the elementary schools, you'll click elementary schools. Now it's going to look up all of the books and all of the catalogs at the elementary level. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to type in the word turtles. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to click right here and see what comes up. Okay, so the first book that comes up, it says Creatures of the Abyss. And it says that there's one available, but when you click on the book, it says that there's one available, but there are no local copies of this title. If you ever see that there's no local copies of this title, that means that the book is found on another campus. And for you to borrow it, you'll have to come down here and click hold it. And so that will put the book on hold at another campus, and then the librarian at that campus makes the decision to send it over to our campus or not. And that's based on availability or popularity of the book. So if the book is borrowed in your name, it's sent to our school using interoffice mail. When the book arrives, I'll bring it to you, and then you can borrow it for 2 weeks as you would any other book or library material. So that is how you put a book on hold, and the only time you would hold it is if it says there are no local copies of this title.